So in this lab, we're going to explore a product by Microsoft. It's called Microsoft Sentinel, a very powerful product. So what you need to do is basically log on to your Microsoft Cloud or Azure, then search for Sentinel. So there are too many products available on cloud. So the best way to find the product normally is by using search. Then you will see here, okay, what resources have been registered with Microsoft Sentinel. But at this point, you don't have anything, so it's normal to see it's empty. So what I need to do here is we create a Sentinel workspace. Then create a new workspace. Okay, you need to pay for this Sentinel. That's why you need to associate with the subscription. And resource group, according to here, we create a new resource group. We call this as a log SC900 Sentinel RG. I'm lazy, just type Sentinel RG. Okay, then the names given is the log analytic workspace. Click and review. So it take a while for it to create. So create. So once this is ready, we can move on to task 2 already. So let me check this task first. So you can check whether deploy or not. Not yet. Oh, deployed already. Great. So refresh, you should see your workspace here. Good. So what we need to do next is we have to search for resource group. From the resource group, you should be able to see a resources called Sentiment RG. Click on this. Okay, then you can see who have access to it. Basically, view my access. By default, this role has been created for you, so meaning that someone who is using a subscription have access to it. So it's done. Read this one. I read it already. So next here is a click on the role. Then type Sentinel. You can check the role hold by Sentinel. So this is the role. If you want to read further, just read. Okay, take your time. We don't do anything here, just for your information. So go back to our Azure. Done. Now we move on to task 3. Task 3 here is, imagine that you have other resources and then you want to facilitate Microsoft Sentinel to help you to do security analysis. You have to make some connection. So what we need to do is go to Microsoft Sentinel. Okay. Okay, sorry, not this. It's a content hub. Okay, yeah, you still have to do this. Click on. Hang on, let me see what did I do wrong. From the Azure service homepage, select Microsoft Sentinel. Okay. Then select the instance that you created. It seems like not appearing here. But there should be one coming up here. I don't know. This is the one that been deployed. Just go to resource group. Okay. But I can't do anything from here. Or it seems like just a deploy. Yeah. Still not happening here. By right, you should see resource, the resource here. Oh, I need to add to a I need to add this one workspace to the Microsoft Sentinel. Sorry, I missed the step here, and it doesn't show you this as well. So this is a little bit confusing. Okay, so it's done. Cool. Now go to the Content Hub. This is the Content Hub that we are talking about. Or you can actually go to from Microsoft Sentinel. It's not the, click on this one, and you can access to the overview of the Microsoft Sentinel and go to Hub. So what we need to do here is we need to connect. We need to connect one of the services. According to here is Microsoft Defender for Cloud to the Microsoft Sentinel. So easier is to search for Defender. Cloud. Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Select this one. Yep. And install the connector. So we have to wait for it to be complete. After if it's completed, it will show a manage button here. Then with that, you can click on it. So this is free, but you still have to pay. Still have to pay for Microsoft Sentinel. For other service, third-party service, maybe you have to pay for Sentinel. You have to pay for the connector as well. So click on this. There's a manage. Okay, so what you can do, you can click on it and see what are there. If you want to go back, just click on go back. Or you can check. It will show you the description here. Okay, you can check. You can check if you want for further detail. But for this exercise, what I need you to do is just click on subscription-based Microsoft Defender for Cloud Legacy. Then open connector page. Then select your subscription. You have to use this subscription for this. Then what you need to do here is you have to enable the connector. This is a rather confusing part here as well. So this part, just check this and then you're good to go. So what you need to do here is now you can actually build information about the analytic rule and all this for Microsoft Defender. All this have been setting up for you as well. So with that, you have to go back to Microsoft Defender for Cloud and click on this to see the rule. Okay, so if you want to create new rule for it, this is a rule being created by default, but if you want to add in the rule, just kindly click on this create rule. And you can create your own rule. So this is not covered in this syllabus, so I just leave it for you to explore. Not afraid to change anything here because that is meant for it. If you screw it up, it doesn't really matter. When this lab is completed and you launch, everything will return to it by default. For task number 4 and above, I think it's a pretty straightforward. I find no difficulty. Just proceed as you like, then you will complete this lab.